When it comes to front-of-house cleaning in a restaurant, several areas and tasks need to be covered to ensure a clean and inviting environment for guests. Here's a list of 7 places to cover and areas to focus on. 1. Dining areas. Ensure that all tables are wiped and sanitized, including the tops and sides, to provide a clean surface for guests to dine. Chairs or booths should be cleaned and disinfected to maintain hygiene and comfort for guests during their dining experience. Decorative items such as plants, lamps, or centerpieces should be dusted and wiped down to maintain a tidy appearance in the dining area. Check condiment holders and salt and pepper shakers to ensure they are clean and stocked for guests to use. 2. Bar area, if applicable. The bar counter and bar stools should be wiped down to remove any spills or residue, maintaining a clean and inviting space for guests. Glassware and bar utensils should be cleaned and polished to ensure they are free of smudges or stains. Bar supplies such as napkins, straws, and stirrers should be restocked as needed to meet the needs of guests. Bar equipment like cocktail shakers and blenders should be cleaned and sanitized to prevent cross-contamination. 3. Reception and waiting areas. Reception desks or host stands should be wiped and sanitized to provide a clean and welcoming first impression for guests. Magazines or menus in waiting areas should be cleaned and straightened for guests to browse while waiting for their table. Trash bins in reception and waiting areas should be emptied and sanitized to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Floors in reception and waiting areas should be kept clean and free of debris to ensure a safe and pleasant environment for guests. 4. Restrooms. Toilet seats, bowls, and handles should be cleaned and sanitized to maintain hygiene standards and prevent the spread of germs. Sink countertops and faucet handles should be wiped down to remove any soap scum or water spots. Soap dispensers should be refilled, and paper towels or hand dryers should be restocked to ensure proper hand hygiene for guests. Trash bins in restrooms should be emptied and sanitized to prevent odors and maintain cleanliness. 5. Floor care. Floors should be swept and spot cleaned throughout the day to remove debris and spills, preventing slips and falls. Mopping with a suitable cleaner should be done at the end of the day or during quiet periods to ensure floors are clean and hygienic. Carpets or rugs should be vacuumed regularly to remove dirt and crumbs, maintaining a tidy appearance in the dining area. 6. Windows and glass surfaces. Windows, glass doors, and mirrors should be cleaned and polished to remove fingerprints and smudges, providing clear visibility for guests. Dirt and dust buildup should be removed from windows to maintain a clean and inviting atmosphere in the dining area. 7. Light fixtures and fixtures. Light fixtures, including chandeliers, sconces, and pendant lights, should be dusted and cleaned to ensure they are free of dust and debris. Fixtures such as door handles, knobs, and railings should be wiped down to maintain cleanliness and prevent the spread of germs. Bonus tip: general maintenance. Any maintenance issues such as loose tiles, chipped paint, or burnt-out light bulbs should be identified and addressed promptly to ensure a safe and pleasant environment for guests. Furniture should be inspected for any damage or wear and tear, and arrangements should be made for repairs or replacements as needed to maintain a high standard of appearance and comfort in the dining area. By covering these areas and tasks thoroughly and regularly, you can maintain a clean and welcoming front-of-house environment that enhances the dining experience for your guests. For professional and reliable restaurant cleaning and commercial kitchen cleaning services, contact System 4 of Phoenix at 602-314-6800 or visit our website https system4phoenix.com.